Kenji, look what we just got downstairs. Koio came in today. Hell yeah. I think these are the Capri Triple White Capri sneaks. That's what we got, right? Kenji? Unboxing, my fave. Bam! Koio. Nice. Oh, those are them. Oh, it's a nice bag. Heavy bag. Oh, nice. Oh, there it is, Kenji. Sick. Capri Triple White from Koio. Super lightweight, durable, leather, Italian leather, Kenji. All right, so another episode of The Modern Gent, talking about Koio today, which I just did a little unboxing for and was super excited about getting this shoe in today. Triple White Capri sneaker, Koio. Love it. All leather and pretty, Italian fine leather, really. And a nice lightweight, durable sneaker for being all leather, mind you. I was a little nervous about the weight of this thing. It's heavier than a normal sneaker, but it's pretty light. Here we are. It's got a full grain calf leather called Vitello on it, which feels amazing, honestly. It's, I just can't, it's like a, I don't know, a new baseball mitt or something you just kind of keep pawing at. It feels really good. So the soles, the outsoles here are made by a really cool company called Margom. Look them up if you don't know them. It's got a cool little story behind it. But Margom and Koio partnered up is a huge deal. It's awesome. The inside here has a nice suede, which I think I've talked about before in some other shoes, maybe Thursday boots or what have you, I don't know. This suede makes it for a real nice slide in. And again, the durability and the lightweight feel of this shoe is amazing. The insole has a little bit of cushion to it, so you can tell it's gonna be soft. I wear a size 12. This is a size 45 European, but I can tell it's gonna be pretty darn comfortable inside just from poking at this insole here right now. What else? Hand painted around the edges. You can tell the stitching is really well done on the outside edge. It's actually hand painted. I think I just mentioned that, but hand painted on the outside edge is crazy. And it's much better than, well, I don't know. Common Projects is another shoe line that does some pretty remarkable stuff. Great company. Koio is a little less expensive than Common Projects, but again, really worth it. I think this was $248 for the Triple White Capri sneaker. Super excited about wearing it. So I will wear it, and then we'll take a look at the soles, see where it's worn out a little bit. I have no problem wearing these all over the place. I'd wear them with a suit, I'd wear them casually, I'd wear them with a jean, I'd wear them with this color wool pant. So I'll get some use out of these, tell you a little bit more about how they're feeling over time, and shoot you another review here shortly. So that's it. Koio. Awesome. We'll chat again soon about this, and like, subscribe, we'll get more going here for you. All right, guys. Ciao.